Making money is a difficult task because not everyone leaves home and returns with bills in their pockets. You also can't collect coins and bills from the trees on the sidewalk. The money goes to those who work hard enough to get it. This is an even more difficult task because finding the right job that will help you earn a lot of money is looking for what suits your interests and passions. This is true. But even if your passions and interests are based on the internet, you don't have to worry because they can still allow you to monetize your needs. One of the best ways to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. If you are interested in promotions, advertising, marketing campaigns, and content writing, this may be the job for you. In affiliate marketing, you win on successful recommendations from a particular brand or company. You need to offer your brand or product to online users and let them use it. You can do this by creating online accounts for your brand or by posting articles on your blog. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. This system allows you to earn passive income when everything is in place. It also enables business owners to reach a wider audience and generate more sales by partnering with affiliate marketers who promote affiliate products and earn money only when they take a particular action. Depending on the company, commissions can range from 10 to 60%. The most successful affiliate marketers make tens of thousands of dollars a month. Hi, Konstantin Obreja here, known as Cashflow X-Files. I've been doing affiliate marketing in the last few years, and to be successful I always had to search for the best options to help others. That's why on this channel I always bring the best options that worked for me to create success in the online world. By the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload another video like this. I upload videos regularly every week, so make sure you don't lose any. Plus, let me know in a comment below what is your favorite way of making money online. I would love to hear it from you. Here are some strategies to help you be successful in affiliate marketing and how to earn from affiliate marketing. Identify your audience. The best way to use affiliate marketing is to anticipate and meet your customers. The products you promote should be the solution to their problems. If you have an insurance site, don't put affiliate ads on discounted clothing just because these programs work. People who read your articles don't think about fashion when they are on your site. Build strong relationships. Building a lasting relationship with your audience is essential for success online. It is essential to promote products and services that add value to your customers. The idea is to focus on their needs, not just yours. If your customers trust you, they will follow your advice and recommendations. Think of a group of people you can reach out to offer more products related to a similar interest or topic, rather than choosing one product. Then you'll want to create a marketing plan, at best a blog or website interesting enough that buyers will want to buy your recommendations repeatedly. You can attract customers to your blog or website in several ways. When you decide to promote your first products, look for products with an affiliate page with instructions to get started. If helpful techniques are provided, you'll want to be here to make sure you understand what your roadmap is and how to be successful with them. Affiliate marketing for beginners shouldn't be complicated if high-quality tools such as articles, illustrations, and even reviews are available, and it's a sign of the seller's commitment to getting started. Promote high-quality products. It's much easier to promote a product you know than the one you've never tried. Advertise products and services that you can recommend. Use common sense with enthusiasm. Any sale must be worth it. There are millions of products on the market, so to be successful, you must find something that offers value. Build a business, and with the right plan, niche, sales platform, and marketing skills, there are no limits to your income opportunities. However, keep in mind that no one else can do this for you, so you will need 3 other skills that only you can add to the team: tolerance, the foundation of success, and hard work. Pick and follow the best person with solid affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Best ways to how to earn from affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. If you are trying to make money from affiliate marketing sites, you may have a hard time. With thousands of affiliates promoting the same products as you, how can you make your record stand out for people to buy from you? Here are the 3 simplest methods. Write product reviews. Product reviews are responsible for the majority of affiliate sales. Statistics show that 9 out of 10 customers read reviews before making a purchase. You can write reviews about the product you are promoting or tailor it to the needs of your customers. Describe your products in detail and specify features, benefits, size, number of pages, delivery details, expected results, and ordering process. Share your thoughts and experiences. Create video tutorials to show potential customers how to use your product. Be sure to include a prompt to tell customers what to do next. Email marketing. In addition to this type of marketing, you can also use email to contact your customers and earn money. By creating an email list, you allow yourself to promote your products and the products of your associated sellers under the same marketing element. By allowing your website visitors to record their information, you will have the opportunity to build a substantial customer base that you can use to distribute your marketing emails. Review sites. Find popular affiliate network products like ClickBank, Commission Junction, Amazon Affiliate Program, or others. Then once you've identified a product to promote, you can set up a website that gives you a positive but objective sounding review about that product. Explain what the product is about and give the reader some of the benefits, and if so, some things you think could be improved. Of course, put your affiliate link in some places in your review so that the reader can buy the product from you if they want to. By acting as a reporter, rather than forcing a sale, the reader will see you as someone they can trust and will be more likely to buy the product through your link. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to earn money as an affiliate marketer. The blog's built-in SEO features allow you to get a lot of free traffic from Google and other search engines if you optimize it properly. With the advent of RSS feeds, you can gain loyal readers who visit your blog regularly. You can benefit from informing readers about affiliate products on your blog and illustrating how the product you are promoting can help them with your business, or hobby or topic of interest, depending on your niche. You can post product reviews, case studies, product comparisons, and many other ways to make your affiliate links in front of readers. Best of all, similar to the review above site strategy, blogging allows you to build rapport with your readers, giving them more confidence in you, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Squeeze pages. If you can drive traffic to your compression page, you can collect email addresses of people in your niche and promote partner offers via email. The easiest way to do this is to offer a free newsletter or special report in exchange for the potential customer's email address. Once you agree to receive information from them, you can send the reader a sequence of emails which you can automate using an autoresponder service, such as Aweber, including tips, tricks, and other resources that can help you. Brings in affiliate benefits and offers from time to time. This strategy shows how many internet marketing gurus earn huge amounts each year. Like the two strategies described above, email marketing, if done correctly, allows you to build relationships with your readers, making you more likely to become a customer. Article marketing. Marketing your articles is a free and beneficial way to make money online. As an affiliate marketer, you will write an article and direct the reader to your website or the seller you are associated with. What you essentially do with your article is to provide the reader with relevant, engaging, and unsold information. As mentioned, article marketing is a free way to get your message across and generate relevant traffic for your website or business website visitors. Pay-per-click marketing. PPC, pay-per-click, is an advertising method used by search engines, ad networks, and content sites where the advertiser, in this case, will pay the host a fee for each click on the ad. While PPC marketing is a very effective tool in any internet marketing arsenal, for those who are new to internet marketing, learning how to write articles and create specific keywords is more beneficial. If not. Finally, you must have one thing in mind. Don't forget to put all of your goals in perspective, and don't assume there will be a cash prize that will give you wealth overnight. There are many trials and tribulations in this method of making money, and if one path fails, try a new one the next day. By knowing what works and what doesn't, you will know you need to grow and be successful in affiliate marketing. Be patient, devoted, and, most of all, realistic.